Today's Red Dane top tip is on alternative feed sources for dryland dairy farming. So something we've tried, and this is our first year trying it, was to plant cowpeas on a sandy, sandfelt type arable land to see how well it would work for the cows. And we are now in March, and the crop has grown out. You can see it here, and we decided to let our bush dairy cows graze it, as we didn't have as much grass as we had hoped, and also we thought it would be a good source of food. So the first day we offered it to them, they hardly ate any. In fact, they ate nothing. The second day they started nibbling. By day 3 were getting into it, and now I think we're on about day 5, and they're eating it like cow candy. They're loving it. So here you can see them. We're moving the hot tape a meter at a time so that we don't have wastage. And this is what the residual looks like. There's quite a bit of weed in it left on the ground, but you can see they've only been here a couple of hours, and the cows are quite satisfied. But most of them are still grazing away. Yesterday we managed to get them up to about 3 kgs of dry matter intake in 6 hours of grazing, but we're hoping that's going to get it up closer to 5. You can see they're literally fighting for the grazing now, fighting for the food. It's an interesting crop. Here are the peas that are coming out. I'm presuming that'll have a decent add a bit of protein to it, and I think it could do the field good. With having a legume growing in it, the nodulation on the roots is really good, and with the cows grazing it, we're going to have all the manure incorporated into the soil behind them, and then we'll decide next year what we put in to this field. But whatever it is, I think it should do pretty well. So grazing cowpeas.